Welcome guys. Welcome to another session of live trading. Today is 4th of May 2020. We are in the last half an hour of the trading session, and market is in totally negative bias, around down around 563 points. So today there is no much activity in intraday trading, but still some of our trades has been generated as a sell for intraday purpose. These are the stocks which has come up as a sale, though there are some pharma stocks which has come in buy, but we don't consider buying today because market is in negative zone, so we don't consider buying. We should consider in selling, short selling today, and whenever there is a negative bias in the market, we should always see towards the short selling. So now we have some of the stocks which has been trading as short selling. So I will show you Can Bank. Okay, this is the Can Bank. Can Bank, let's see in live chart what are the activity in Can Bank has been seen. Can Bank. This is Can Bank. See, Can Bank has given us the sell signal on 9:30. So sell has to be done on around 82.25. Okay, so let's see 82, and it has made a low of around 80.25, so almost 2% gain it has given in this trade. Okay, Can Bank has given us the 2% gain. So let's see another trade. L&T Housing Finance. Okay, L&T Housing Finance, it's around 50 odd, so we don't consider this as short selling. LIC Housing Finance, we will see maximum housing finance and banking sectors are in negative zone. So LIC Housing Finance, Mahindra Housing Finance. So let's see LIC Housing Finance, how it has performed during the intraday trading. LIC Housing Finance. So LIC Housing Finance also given us the sell signal, and now 262 was the level where we need to sell. 262. So it has made a low of around 255. So this kind of stock you can easily generate during live market, so that probability of the stock getting in our zone is more, and we can definitely get some good stock for profitable trades. There are so many stocks available in the sheet. So this sheet has been linked with trading terminal, so that you can incorporate some of your formulas. These are my formulas which is giving us the sell and buy signals, and this is accuracy of around 90% you can consider during intraday. This same strategy can be applied to day trading as well. So BTST, like STVT and BTST. So if you buy stocks today, and what are the stocks which will perform tomorrow, so these sheets only will tell you. So these are the strategies which is working all over the world, and same strategy is being working through all the experts. So I'll let you know how these strategies work. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will be getting all the information. Thank you.